Good morning, student. This is your computer class and this is your fourth lecture of computer. First of all, you have to mention a date, CW, and day here. So in the previous class, we learned the functionality of a computer and how computers work. So in this lecture, we are going to learn the input, data processing, and output of a computer. So first of all, discussed about the input. So students, I will read the paragraph for yourself and after reading I will explain all important points for your better understanding. So let's start the reading. Input. Whenever you enter a data into your computer, it is referred to as a input. This can be text typed in a word processing document, keyword enter in a search engine's search box, or data entered into a spreadsheet. Some input parts of a computer are keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, microphone, etc. Now student, it's time to understand all the important points. So student, what is input? When you enter a data in through a keyboard, that is called input. That is called input. Mouse is also used for pointing the options. Okay, when you select any option, you can use mouse. Joystick, scanner, microphone are also type of a input devices. Data processing. Let us explain data processing from daily life. When we want to cook something, we take cooking ingredients, put them together or cook it. Once it cooked, we serve it. Similarly, data processing is taking all kind of data, then taking out the information we need and present it. Data processing. Data processing occur when data is collected and translated into usable information. It starts with data in its raw form and convert it into a more readable format, graphics, document, etc. Central processing unit, CPU, is the brain of a computer. It is the CPU where all the processing take place. It is responsible for all function and processes. So students, it's time to understand all the important points. In simple word, computer take information as an input. Computer collect this information and translate it into a usable form information. This process is called data processing, and this processing is carried out in central processing unit. Central processing unit is responsible for all function and processes. Okay, so let's see the picture. First of all, computer take data, then this data is go to central processing unit. Now central processing unit store the data and instruction what to do. Then next part processes the data into a useful information. This is also done in central processing unit, and after this generates output, and this central processing unit generates output, and this output is shown on the screen of a monitor. So students, these are the four steps of central processing unit and data processing. Output. Any information that is processed by and sent out from a computer is called output. When monitor display information, it is output. When we take a print out of a Word document, it is an output. For example, monitor printer headphones, speakers. So students, it's time to understand all the important points. When computer generate a result, that is called output, and this output is shown on the screen of a monitor. Okay, this output is in the form of printout, in the form of document. Okay students, so let's see the devices of a output. Let's see the output devices. So output devices are speakers, sound card, monitor. You can see that on the screen of a monitor. Output display on the screen of a monitor. Projector, headphones, and printer. So student, this is today's lecture. I hope you like the lecture. Allah Hafiz.